everyone, I hope your summer's been going great. Today I wanted to pop on and share with you something that has been a game changer in freeing up my time during the summer. Now, if you're subscribed to my channel, you know that I have reviewed several pool robot vacuums, but today I have finally found my match. It is by WYBOT and it's the S2 Vision robot vacuum. And what's so amazing about this is it's solar powered. Yes, you don't have to worry about charging it. It gets its power right from the sun and it makes my life super easy. So just to show you how beautifully it cleans my pool, check out these before and after photos. So this is what it looks like. You can see it fits perfectly on the edge of your pool. Right here is the solar panel, and then down here is the dock, and there is the S2. So basically, with a full day of sunshine, you can charge your robot by up to 50%. You can also plug in the robot to an electrical outlet and charge it that way if you would like. It charges really quick, about 3 hours, and it will give you 2.5 hours of cleaning time. So super efficient. It was extremely easy to set up. I am not super handy around the house. I did this all by myself. It came in different boxes with each piece, and basically all I had to do was assemble it, get it in station, and from there, voila, it can take care of my pool. It cleans up to 3,230 square feet, so it's perfect for larger pools. Fully charged in 3 hours and a 210 battery cleaning capacity. With a powerful brushless motor and waterline scrubbing, you can't beat the performance of the WYBOT S2 Vision. In the box, you will find a user manual, which is step-by-step and again, super easy to get set up. And this is what the charger looks like if you don't want to use the solar panel. So right here is where you would plug it in if you wanted to do that. And then this is the start-stop button. There's also an LED panel interface, which is very intuitive to use. You can simply switch modes by clicking that button. And there is also a power indicator telling you how much battery you have left. So I downloaded the WYBOT app and I can set my robot up specifically to my pool. So you go into the app and you can choose the size, the slope, and the material of your pool. It's completely customizable. 91-watt brushless motor provides powerful and stable suction performance. It gets your pool sparkling as it leaves a clean path behind. Watch how it even climbs right up the walls. It even has effortless obstacle handling, so it moves smoothly over steps and uneven surfaces. Check this out. So the robot just finished cleaning the pool, and I want to show you the 3D absorption system. So this is a 180 millimeter filter basket, and it has a cotton foam filter. So when I open it up, you can see right here how it's captured all of the little debris that were in the bottom of my pool. Pretty amazing. And the best part is everything is easily controlled through the app. So I can just sit here and relax while the robot cleans for me. You have easy to use one touch where you can have 7 cleaning modes, and you can also schedule your cleanings any day of the week, specifically how you'd like to clean your pool. You can command it to clean the entire pool or only the specific areas you want. These include wall only, floor only, standard full pool, turbo floor, eco floor, wall then floor, and check out waterline only to see how the robot moves in a structured pattern along the waterline so you don't have to scrub. And wait for this, I have to say out of all of the features, this is by far my most favorite feature. Every other pool robot I've used, I've struggled getting out of the water. You can actually command the robot to return back to its dock, either through the solar panel or directly through the app. So what do you guys think? You can see I am absolutely over the moon with the WYBOT S2 Vision robot pool vacuum. I love it. It has made my life so much easier this summer. I will go ahead and put a link in my description for you. Check it out also if you are a pool owner. You will definitely want to look into this. If you have any friends you feel would love it also, please share. Please feel free to share the video. It's a great way to get time back in your day and enjoy the summer. I live in Florida, so for me, summer's an all year-round activity, so I can't even imagine how many hours I'm getting back in my day. I hope I see you guys all soon, and enjoy the rest of your summer.